I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select an action Fluent Support. Connect to Fluent Support. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features under the actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. To complete the task, please click on the checkbox and add the support staff. Next. Finish and save it. Please access your form and complete all the required fields. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Fluent Support dashboard and navigate to the tickets. And here, you can see that the data has been successfully received and the ticket has been created. Thanks for watching.